Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I've been sicker than a dog. A company called Mabett sent me some of their Ford Maverick accessories for the truck. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and check them out. Alright guys, so the first thing we have on the lineup is this sunshade. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and see what's inside. So here we have the little bag for it. So yeah, that goes on the windshield whenever you're parked in a parking lot or something. This will come in handy for sure. And straight away, I went ahead and I bought one of these off of Amazon, but it wasn't from Mabett, and I can already tell the quality of this one is by far superior than the one that I bought for 20 bucks. So yeah, interesting to see how this is gonna, work with my dash cam and see how it, sets up on the windshield. I always have trouble folding these for some reason, but there we go. Just insert that back in the pouch. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this. Let's pop this open. Yeah, it looks like we have, I think these are the hangers for like clothing or something to put on the back of your seat. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what that looks like. Some plastic pieces. Looks like the hooks kind of pop out like that so you can attach stuff to it. Got two, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger. Looks like that is it that comes in that box. Oh, and this thing folds down. It'll be interesting to see how this installs on the seat. Alright, let's see what we got in this box. Oh yeah, here we go. So this is the extra cup holders for the center console. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I have been using this. It is really nice to have some extra cup holders, so you can put like some small coffee cups or whatever in it. It works out great. But anything that's pretty tall, it's gonna hit the armrest. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet right here. And let's see here, looks like they also sent the center console storage divider. It has different layers that pop up like that. So if you want some extra storage, man, these things are great to have. Highly recommend checking this out for sure. And last but not least, let's see what this is. Okay, pretty cool. These are the trays that insert in the door. So you can have extra storage to put your phone or whatever you want to put in there. Yeah, man, I'm pretty stoked about all of this stuff, man. And they sent two sets, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger. Alright guys, well let's go ahead and get this stuff installed and check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check out the sunshade. As you can see, I have a dash cam here, and I just want to see how this, fits on here and see if it seals up pretty nicely. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So right here you have this Velcro. You just want to unstrap this like so. And just go ahead and bring this around the mirror like that. I also have the Kia mirror that I installed, so it's not the stock mirror, but yeah, attach the Velcro like that and seal it up. And then you bring down your sun, whatever you call those, bring those down and kind of hold it in place. And there you have it. You just come over here and just fix the sides to make a good seal. But yeah, you know, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down below in the video description for all the products used today. You can check those out if you want to grab some for yourself. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the stuff. All right, y'all, so here is the extra cup holders for your Ford Maverick. It has these little inserts right here you can put inside. And so this part, it just goes perfectly over this, just like so. Right here is perfect for like a small, maybe like a medium cup of coffee. It just fits well. It's nice to have, and it frees you up more space in the front. No, this thing does not move around at all. There's no noise or anything. I've been driving around with this for like a few weeks now. It's amazing. You know, this is one of the products that I just really like a lot. It has like a little slot right here for some cards or something. Plus, you can also hide away some extra stuff underneath it if you want to. But yeah, really phenomenal product right here. Accessory for your truck by far. So let's go ahead and check out these door dividers. All right, so now we have these little cubbies for the door right here, and these are different sizes. You have one for the front and one for the back. The smaller one, it's going to fit just like so, and it also has these little Velcro pads or little padding right here for the sides, so it creates a nice point of contact for the door. So you just insert this like so and just press it in. You have a nice little cubby space for your phone or whatever you want to put in here. Let's go ahead and check out the back. And so again, right here, here's the back piece. Just go ahead and just press this in like so, and it's a nice firm contact with the interior pieces. Awesome. Alright guys, so here's the center console divider. Here's the first layer. You have a nice section to put some coins, maybe even your phone. I would show you my phone, but I'm currently filming with it. And then we open that up, and you have another compartment down below, and it comes with these inserts to put right here like that, just like so. And then yeah, first things first, go ahead and just grab this, insert it in just like that. It has a nice fitment, and then go ahead and pop this sucker right on top. You also have some room to store extra stuff on the very bottom, just like that. This is a great product as well to have for your truck if you don't already have one. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have the hanger rack for the back seat of your truck. So how you install this is you want to take off the headrest, place it over like so, put the headrest back on, and then now you have like a little place to hang stuff from, or you can 3D print something to attach to the back of the back seat. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. There it is. Alright guys, well that's a wrap for this video. I really do appreciate everyone's love and support for the channel. The channel has been growing. We're so much closer to 1,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate, you know, y'all watching my videos and stuff like that. But yeah, so far everything I've received from Mabett, I have had no problems with. The seat covers I installed 2 months ago, man, they are turning out to be great. No problems at all. Again, I'll go ahead and leave links down below to all the products from Mabett that I reviewed so far. So if you want to go ahead and grab yours, you can just go ahead and click on the link and get them off of Amazon. Alright guys, until then, I'll see y'all again on the next one.